Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to post this video because I have some updates for you today from Poshmark, just some different things. They posted this entire article on their blog yesterday, mainly assuring that it is safe to send and receive packages. Obviously, you're going to want to use precautions if you are dealing with mail carriers or any human contact whatsoever. As always, I love to hear from you guys in the comments. Let me know down below where you are and what you intend to do, if you are still selling or if you have put your closet on vacation mode. I'm always curious to hear what you guys are doing, especially in light of what is going on. So let me know in the comments what your plan is. We are going to talk about a lot of these updates that Poshmark released yesterday. There are some pretty important ones about shipping and things like that. Before I get into that, several of you have signed up for my training bundle, which includes my private Facebook group and my share group. I am going to be doing, I'm going to try and do daily live updates every evening in my Poshmark strategy group if you are in there. So make sure that you have the notifications turned on for it. It should send you a notification when I go live. If you would like information about that, feel free to send me an email. It's poshbosshelp@gmail.com and I can send it over to you. Also, make sure that you are a member of my Posh Boss HQ group down below. I've been posting in there pretty much daily, just checking on everybody and, you know, talking with everybody. I think it's really important to stay connected during this time, so I will put the link to my Facebook discussion group down below. And if you have any other questions or anything like that, you can always email me. It's poshbosshelp@gmail.com. You can also follow me on Instagram. It's Thrifting Debutante. I will be posting some updates on there as well, pictures whenever I can. Just trying to really figure out the situation day to day, my inventory situation. I have a lot of inventory. It's just a matter of figuring it out and spacing out inventory and listing and things like that. So, but yeah, definitely send me an email if you are interested, and let's get into the video. It says, yes, you can continue to ship and receive packages, and that they are continuing to monitor the situation and keep you updated. Just, you know, use common sense. I actually bought a box of gloves from Target yesterday to wear whenever I have to handle outside anything. So, you know, get gloves if you have them, wash your hands, things like that. They also talked about price gouging, which has been a significant problem across many selling platforms. People posting things like sanitizers and masks and charging crazy prices for them. So obviously those things are not allowed on Poshmark anyway, so you don't need to be posting them. If you see them, just report them. I've seen many listings that have 1,000 comments on it, people just in complete insanity. So just report it and move on. Not any use wasting your time on it. There's nothing you can do about it. There's nothing I can do about it. Just don't purchase these things from the people who are listing them. The major update that is in this article is about their shipping policy. So Poshmark has changed their shipping policy. Normally you have normally you have 7 days to ship a package. You'll start getting alerts on day 5 to ship the package. After the 7th day, the customer can cancel. They have now extended that to 10 days. So you have 10 days to ship your packages before a customer can cancel their order. If you are going to experience delays in shipping, meaning you can't ship within a couple days of the purchase, you definitely need to communicate that with your customer. Leave them a comment, tag them, let them know, hey, this is the situation. Personally, I am going to be designating days that I will be shipping, and again, this situation is changing on a day-to-day basis. So, you know, for right now, I am designating certain days that I am shipping. Those days are Tuesdays and Thursdays, because I don't want to have to leave the house. I don't want to have to go outside. If I can fit what I need to ship in the mailbox, I will do that. So designate certain days that you are going to ship and communicate that with your customer, or communicate with your customer when you will be able to ship their item. You now have 10 days to ship the item, so it's not anything to stress over or anything like that. Just make sure that you are communicating when the item will ship with the person who is purchasing it. They also posted in the article about requesting free pickups from the Postal Service. I've talked about this before in a couple of videos. You can request a free pickup from the post office if you can leave your packages out on your porch for them to get, or wherever you need to leave them. But you can go on the USPS website and there is an option to schedule a pickup. If you are interested, Poshmark has also established a frequently asked questions page about the situation on their website, so I will put that in a link down below. But again, the takeaway from this is that you now have 10 days to ship your packages. If you also sell on eBay, I did get a letter from eBay stating that nobody is going to receive any penalties or anything like that to their business during this time if the circumstances are out of their control. So eBay is also working with people in terms of that. I don't believe they are affecting anyone's top rated sellers or anything like that. They're not even going to evaluate people for top rated seller until I think it said June. So all the platforms are working together to work with sellers and customers to keep this going. Again, I still encourage you to keep listing if you can, and keep shipping and keep selling. I think a lot of people are going to be online right now shopping. You would be surprised. I don't think people are just going to stop shopping. I don't believe that at all. So, keep listing stuff and keep trying. Don't give up. So you're at home, you have time to list stuff if you have a death pile or anything like that. So keep going. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video and let you guys know that Poshmark has extended their ship time. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below for me, or you can email me poshbosshelp@gmail.com, and I will see you guys in the next video.